Good day to you viewers, the Colonel speaking to you live from the Grange, British Imperial YouTube Broadcasting. Now we've got these very unusual, I'm not going to take it off the turntable, it was a blessed nuisance getting on there, very unusual Morse code records. This is his master's voice, reference number JGS 35 or CTPX 12377. Yeah, that's very technical. Here we go, they're instructional records. And we'll listen to what the chap's got to say. But being a pie black box, the sound's coming out of the side, so that's what I'll concentrate on.
The purpose of this record is to assist those learning to receive the Morse code. And at this stage, only the figure code will be sent. Examples of the individual figures will be given first of all, ending up with examples of a number of groups of figures, such as would be sent out in actual practice. Particular attention should be paid to the time allowance for dots and dashes, and especially to the correct spacing between each figure and each group. No matter what speed is used, the dot should always take 1/3 of the time taken to make a dash, and between each completed figure, a spacing equivalent to 1 dot, while between each group of figures there should be a pause equivalent to 3 dots. One of the first steps to take when learning reception is to acquire the habit of working by sound. Only use the list of dots and dashes as an index to the sound equivalent. Never get into the habit of writing dots and dashes to represent figures. For instance, try to develop the habit of memorizing the dots and dashes as you would hear them being sent over the air by key. The dot sounds as a dit, the dash as a da. Memorize each figure like this. 1. Di-da-da-da-da. 2. Di-di-da-da-da. 3. Di-di-di-da-da. 4. Di-di-di-di-da. 5. Di-di-di-di-di. 6. Da-di-di-di-di. 7. Da-da-di-di-di. 8. Da-da-da-di-di. 9. Da-da-da-da-di. 0. Da. Develop the habit of writing the actual figure after hearing the Morse symbol, and not while you are hearing them. Now you will hear each figure sent by the Morse key, and you will notice how smoothly each symbol is sent, and how evenly spaced it is. Remember that it is far more important from the sender's point of view that the receiver should hear each symbol and each group clearly and distinctly, and to send it as fast as he can, and then have the receiver to ask for repeat, which wastes time. The sender will never send faster than the receiver can take it down. Here is the figure code. 1. Again. Once again. 2. Again. Once again. 3. Again. Once again. 4. Again. Once again. 5. Again. Once again. 6. Again. Once again. 7. Again. Once again. 8. Again. Once again. 9. Again. Once again. 0. Again. Once again.
Yes, we're at the end of the record, viewers. Wonderful. Well, I hope you enjoyed that instructional record. That bloke saying those strange words sounded like a psychedelic pop album from the 60s. How very peculiar. Thank you, viewers, and goodbye.